What you doing, Bubba? What you doing? What you doing? What doing, handsome? What doing? Oh my goodness. Is him sleepy? Is him sleepy? Oh my goodness. Middle hands are always busy, huh? Here's your washcloth. Here's your cloth. Here you go. Here you go. That little serious old man look. Do do do. Do do do. What's he got? What's he got? Where'd it go? Oh, you got it? Them busy hands. Them busy hands. And busy feet. Busy hands. Oh, look there. Look what Braxton's doing. He's looking so hard at it. He's like, oh, look, that one works too. Look at him, look at it. That's too funny. He's like, oh, I can control it. That's so cool. Here's your washcloth back, buddy. Here you go. There you go. Get that sleeper to stay down out your way. You could put your washcloth in your mouth. There you go. This is so awesome. I'm trying so hard to get that thing. He keeps grabbing his sleeper instead by accident. It's so cool because one of these days those hands are just going to reach out and grab, not even think about it, and do whatever they need to do. And right now he's got to work so hard to make them do what he wants them to. So cool. You got it, Bubba? You got it? Here you go. There you go. There you go, sweetheart. You got it. He's like, okay, now I want to put it in my mouth. How do I get it to my mouth? Look, Mama help you? Yeah, Mama help you? There you go. There you go. There you go. Bring it up there. There you go. There you go. That's the reward. Up. You're so silly. You're so silly. You're such a silly little guy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Say bye-bye. Them long, pretty eyelashes. Long, pretty blonde eyelashes.